Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Nihon. Today we're diving deep into the world of speculation and automotive dreams because there's been some serious buzz about the return of an iconic nameplate, the BMW M6. Specifically, whispers of a potential 2026 BMW M6 have been making waves online. Now, before we get too excited, let me remind you, this is all based on rumors, unverified reports, and speculative illustrations. But hey, that doesn't mean we can't imagine what could be, right? So buckle up as we explore everything from its rumored engine specs to its jaw-dropping design. Let's start where every enthusiast wants to dive in first, the heart of the beast. According to unofficial sources, the 2026 BMW M6 might pack a twin turbocharged V8 engine. And here's the kicker. It could come paired with either a mild hybrid or even a plug-in hybrid system. That means electrification isn't just for eco-friendly commuters, it's coming to the performance game too. With power figures like these, this thing wouldn't just compete, it would dominate. Imagine over 700 horsepower at your fingertips, launching you from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. For context, that's faster than most supercars from just a decade ago. And it's not just raw power. Reports suggest the 26 M6 would feature BMW's legendary MX-Drive all-wheel drive system, ensuring grip no matter the conditions. Paired with adaptive suspension, this car promises to balance luxury cruising with razor-sharp handling. Whether you're carving mountain roads or tearing up the track, the 2026 M6 could do it all. Now let's talk aesthetics, because if this car ever hits production, it needs to look as good as it performs. Early rumors describe the design as aggressive yet refined, a perfect blend of luxury Grand Tourer comfort and track-ready engineering. Just picture this, a long hood, muscular haunches, and those signature BMW kidney grills, but done tastefully. Think coupe-like proportions with a sloping roofline and quad exhausts out back. It's the kind of design language that screams "I'm fast" without shouting it. Inside, the cabin is expected to rival any modern flagship. We're talking cutting-edge technology like BMW's latest iDrive system, a massive curved display stretching across the dashboard, and luxurious materials throughout. This is where comfort meets connectivity, giving you the ultimate driving experience whether you're commuting or conquering corners. Alright, so how much would this dream machine set you back? While nothing is official, some sources speculate a starting price in the low to mid £90,000 range in the UK. That's certainly not cheap, but considering the level of performance and luxury, it might actually be a bargain compared to rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT or Porsche Panamera Turbo S. But, and this is a big but, there's one major problem. Despite the hype, BMW has officially denied plans to bring back the 6 Series for 2026. A spokesperson explicitly stated, "There are currently no plans to reintroduce the BMW 6 Series to the market." Ouch. So while the internet is ablaze with excitement, don't hold your breath just yet. So there you have it, the mythical 2026 BMW M6. If it were to happen, it would check all the boxes. Insane power, breathtaking design, and state-of-the-art tech. But until BMW gives us the green light, this remains firmly in the realm of speculation. What do you think? Would you welcome the return of the M6, or should BMW focus on other projects instead? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.